Introducing our SmartSetup switches. Turn your lights on and off with the lightest of touches. You no longer need inconsistent and slow-performing light switches that rely on an internet connection. Since the release of Matter, we have been hard at work creating our new smart switch. Matter is like a new language that unifies the way smart home devices talk to each other. This allows a simpler user experience. We are working to perfect a smart switch that works on all ecosystems, including Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, Alexa, SmartThings, and Toya. Using our smart switches is so simple as it works with your favorite home app. They are very reliable and responsive. The best thing is the more you add devices, the stronger the mesh network becomes, which makes it ideal for residential and commercial installations. Pairing to set it up is as quick as scanning a QR code, but installation does require a licensed electrician. Our switches are Matter over Thread enabled, which means it uses less power than other smart switches. With very dim off lights, it is a great option for low light setting areas like a bedroom. And wonder if you left your lights on? You can always monitor and control remotely through the app.